Hello, welcome back. Today we'll learn about string representation of objects. So in this session, we'll explore how Python represents objects as strings. Specifically, we'll focus on three key methods like REPR, render string, and render format. These methods let us control how objects are displayed both for developers and for end users. So first we'll know the we'll understand the overview, the string representation of objects. By default, when you print an object, Python gives you a generic string like main class, main class dot name object at so and so. But in many situations like debugging, logging, or displaying information to users, we want more meaningful representations. Python let us customize this using special methods like Tenda RPR provides a developer focused screen. Data string provides a user-friendly version, and data format gives us fine-grained control over formatting. So let's see customizing REPR. So here, this function is meant to return a string that unambiguously describes the object. This is usually what you see in the console when you type the object's name. By defining under RPR, you can control exactly what's written. For example, if we have a point class, we can make its return point 3 and 4 something the clear and even copy pastable is a code. It's extremely using for debugging and logging where precision matters more than the representation. When we say customizing the step, we just go through a theory. The string function or the dunder string method is what's used when you print an object or convert it to a string. Its purpose is to give a clean human readable output. If dunder string isn't defined, Python falls back to using dunder REPR. In the point example, we might make string return something simple like 3 4 to display nicely to users. So dunder REPRs is for developers, string is for end users. Customizing the format. When you use format or fstring, Python calls format. This method gives us detailed control over how an object is formatted, including padding, alignment, or custom notations. For example, this is especially useful when objects are part of report tables or UI elements. To summarize, Dunder REPR provides an unambiguous developer focused view. Dunder string gives a clean user friendly representation. Dunder format allows fine grained control of f strings and formatting. By customizing these methods, we make objects easier to debug, log, display, and format, ultimately improving both developers' experience and program output. Thank you, and let's meet in the next video.